Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your friend list on the Monster Legends application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can check the different island, you can check your main island and the others. In the home screen you can find different buttons, and if you want to check your friend list, just click to the lower left corner of the home screen and you can find two options, the play and the social. Click to the second, the social, and here you can find your friends list or the friend requests, and you can invite different friends, for example Facebook or others, and you can reward different welcome gifts. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.